Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with State Farm to request coverage and quote step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the State Farm website. Once the home page loads, locate the Get a Quote button at the top of the page. Click on the Get a Quote button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a new page where you can choose the type of insurance you need. Select the type of coverage you are interested in, such as auto, home, or renter's insurance. After making your selection, follow the prompts to enter your information, including your name, address, and contact details. Once you've entered your information, you'll need to create an account. Look for the Create an Account option and click on it. Fill in the required fields, including a username and password. After completing the account creation form, click on the Submit button. You will receive an email to verify your account. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Return to the State Farm website and log into your newly created account. Now that you are logged in, you can proceed to request a quote. Provide any additional information requested on the quote form. Review the details you've entered to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your request for a quote. You should receive your coverage options and quotes via email or direct notification. If you have any questions during the process, look for the customer service options available on the website. Feel free to reach out for assistance to ensure you understand your coverage options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.